Hello, Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NFS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take an English class for class Junior 1 students. Our today's topic, word meaning, English to English, 1 to 10. So this is your third class of the annual examinations. So my dear students, let's start the class. Word meaning, English to English. Number 1, happy, cheerful. C-H-E-E-R-F-U-L, cheerful. So happy, word meaning, cheerful. C-H-E-E-R-F-U-L, cheerful. Number 2, trouble. Trouble, problem. P-R-O-B-L-E-M. P-R-O-B-L-E-M, problem. So trouble, problem. Number 3, wear. Wear, put on. So number 3, wear, put on. P-U-T, put, on, on. Put on. Number 4, rule, law. So rule, answer law, L-A-W, law. Number 5, van, cart, C-A-R-T. So van, cart, C-A-R-T, cart. We will move to number 6. 6 number, lot, L-O-T, lot. The answer will be many. Lot, many, M-A-N-Y, many. Number 7, show, to display. To, T-O-2, display. D-I-S, dis, P-L-A-Y, display. Show, to display. T-O-2, D-I-S, dis, P-L-A-Y, display. Number 8, lead, a cover. A cover. A C-O-V-E-R, a cover. Lead, a cover. Number 9, jar, container. C-O-N-T-A-I-N-E-R, container. So jar, container. C-O-N-T-A-I-N-E-R, container. Number 10, bring, to, T-O-2, fetch, F-E-T-C-H, fetch. So number 10, bring, to, fetch, F-E-T-C-H, fetch. So my dear students, let's read again. Word meaning, English to English. Number 1, happy. The answer will be cheerful. C-H-E-E-R, cheer, F-U-L, cheerful. Number 2, trouble. The answer will be problem. P-R-O-B-L-E-M, problem. Number 3, wear, put on. Wear, put on. P-U-T, put, on, one, put on. Number 4, rule. The answer will be law, L-A-W, law. Number 5, van. The answer will be cart, C-A-R-T, cart. So van, the answer will be cart. Number 6, lot. Answer will be many, M-A-N-Y, many. Number 7, show. The answer will be to display, T-O-2, D-I-S, dis, P-L-A-Y, display. Number 8, lead, a cover, a C-O-V-E-R, cover. Number 9, jar. The answer will be container, C-O-N, con, T-A-I, near, container. Number 10, bring. The answer will be to fetch. To F-E-T-C-H, fetch. So number 10, bring. The answer will be to fetch. F-E-T-C-H, to fetch. So this is your SW. SW2, word meaning, English to English, 1 to 5. So word meaning, English to English, 1 to 5. So my dear students, this SW is very important for you. Do your assigned SW at home, and you have to submit all your SW copies on Sunday within 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. in the school library, and you will also collect those copies from the school library one Sunday. This SW is very important. Why? Because your SB and CT mark will be given on the basis of the submission of this SW. Guardian or anyone else can come to school for collecting and submitting the SWs. So my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed this class. Keep practicing at home. Avoid your parents. Stay home, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.